Hold short runway 25 right, Berlin 7 Echo Romeo.
Notre route is connected. Bypass Barman. Left is clear, right is clear.
Follow the fluorescent strips on the floor. Please remember that the nearest exit may be behind you rather than in front of you. Your seatbelt is fastened and tightened as demonstrated by our flight attendants. To unfasten, simply lift the metal flap. Your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight around your waist while the fasten seatbelt sign is illuminated.
BEL2AH Alpha Hotel, request taxi.
In the event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will
BEL2AH
drop
Alpha
down
Hotel,
from the power
runway
button.
25 right, taxi via info, Bravo
Pull the
5.
mask towards you.
Hold short runway
and
25 right.
over your nose and mouth. Place the
Runway
elastic
25
band
right,
around
taxi
your
via
head
info,
and
Bravo
adjust if
5.
necessary.
Hold short runway 25 right, BEL2AH Alpha Hotel.
Please secure your own mask before assisting children or other passengers. A life jacket is stowed in a
Berlin het Tango Charlie, gate 134, request pushback and engine start. Pushback and engine start approved. Face northeast,
plate
Berlin
are
het
green
Tango
called
Charlie.
the red tab only when leaving the
Berlin et Sierra Romeo, cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1.
Cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5, Alpha 3,
Please
November
read it
6,
carefully,
Alpha 1,
especially
Berlin
if
and
you are
Sierra
seated
Romeo.
next to one of the emergency exits. Thank you for listening.
Berlin 7 Echo Romeo, hold position for compagnie trafic. ILL call you back.
Please make sure your seatbelt is
Hold position, Berlin 7 Echo Romeo.
Your CBCB upright position armrests are lowered.
Berlin 7 Echo Romeo, continue taxi.
Smoking is prohibited. That includes
Continue taxi, Berlin 7 Echo Romeo.
To evacuate, leave all hand luggages on board.
All aircraft be advised d'information Sierra now current, QNH 1010.
And follow the instructions given by the crew.
Berlin 5 Kilo Foxtrot at gate 75, request pushback.
Thank you for listening and enjoy your
Berlin 7 Echo Romeo, cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1.
Cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1, Berlin 7 Echo Romeo.
BEL2AH Alpha Hotel, waiting to cross 25 right.
BEL2AH Alpha Hotel, hold short of 25 right. ILL call you back.
Wilco, hold short of 25 right for traffic, BEL2AH Alpha Hotel.
BEL2AH Alpha Hotel, cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1.
Cross runway 25 right at Bravo 5. Continue taxi via Bravo 5 Alpha 3 November 6 Alpha 1 BEL2AH Alpha Hotel.
Berlin 5 Kilo Foxtrot, Bruxelles ground, pushback and engine start approved. Face northeast.
Pushback and engine start approved, face northeast, Berlin 5 Kilo Foxtrot.
Berlin het Tango Charlie, ready to taxi to the active.
Berlin 3 Tango Charlie, runway 25 right taxi via entry in, info, Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1. Hold short runway 25 right.
Runway 25 right taxi via entry, in Fore, Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1. Hold short runway 25 right, Berlin het Tango Charlie.
Berlin et Sierra Romeo, contact Bruxelles Tower 118.605, have a good morning.
Over 2 Tower 118.605, Beline at Sierra Romeo. Have a good morning.
Beline 7 Echo Romeo, contact Bruxelles Tower 118.605, have a good morning.
Over 2 Tower 118.605, Beline 7 Echo Romeo.
Cabin crew, seats for takeoff. Hi, Captain. The cabin is now secure for takeoff.
Thank you.
Beline 5 Kilo Foxtrot, ready to taxi to the active.
Beline 5 Kilo Foxtrot, runway 25 right taxi via Info, Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1. Hold short runway 25 right.
Runway 25 right taxi via Info, Bravo 5, Alpha 3, November 6, Alpha 1. Hold short runway 25 right, Beline 5 Kilo Foxtrot.
Beline 11 Yankee, get 234 right taxi via Bravo 5 in 6 in 7 in 8 Sierra.
K234 right via Bravo 5 in 6 in 7 in 8 Sierra, Beline 11 Yankee.
Beline 2 Alpha Hotel, contact Bruxelles Tower 118.605.
Contact Tower 118.605, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Have a good morning. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, ready to go, runway 25 right.
Beline 2 Alpha Hotel, number 1 for departure. Hold short of 25 right.
Affirmative, hold short of 25 right for traffic, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Beline 8 Sierra Romeo, contact Brussels departure 126.63.
Contact Brussels departure 126.63, Beline at Sierra Romeo.
Beline 7 Echo Romeo, Brussels Tower, wind 170 at 10, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff, Beline 7 Echo Romeo.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, runway 25 right, line up and wait.
Runway 25 right, line up and wait. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, Brussels Tower, wind 170 at 10, runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 25 right, cleared for takeoff. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Berlin 7 Echo Romeo, contact Brussels departure 126.63.
Contact Brussels departure 126.63, Berlin 7 Echo Romeo.
Berlin 3 Tango Charlie, holding short, runway 25 right. Berlin 3 Tango Charlie, runway 25 right, line up and wait. Runway 25 right, line up and wait, Berlin 3 Tango Charlie.
Brussels Tower, Shamrock 63 November, ILS runway 25 right.
Shamrock 63 November, Brussels Tower, continue.
Roger, Shamrock 63 November.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, contact Brussels departure 126.63.
Contact Brussels departure 126.63, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Brussels departure, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Good morning, 1,700 feet.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, Bruxelles departure, identifié, climb to flight level 120.
Climb to flight level 120, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Ladies and gentlemen, please keep your seatbelt fastened whilst the seatbelt sign is on. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin. Remember that smoking is not permitted.
Lufthansa 8 Alpha Romeo, contact Bruxelles Control 125.0, bye bye.
Center on 125.0, Lufthansa 8 Alpha Romeo. Have a good morning.
Brussels departure, Berlin 3 Tango Charlie, 1,700 feet. Berlin 3 Tango Charlie, Bruxelles departure, identifié, climb to flight level 190. Climb to flight level 190, Berlin 3 Tango Charlie. Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, contact Bruxelles Control 125.0, bye bye.
Contact Brussels Control 125.0 B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel. Brussels Control, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, good morning. Crossing flight level 099 for flight level 120.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, Bruxelles Control, good morning, radar contact, climb to flight level 250.
Climb to flight level 250, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel.
Ryanair 7 Hotel Alpha, contact Amsterdam radar 11.175. Center on 119.175, Ryanair 7 Hotel Alpha. Brussels Control, Berlin at Sierra Romeo, through flight level 130 for flight level 160. Berlin at Sierra Romeo, Bruxelles Control, radar contact, climb to flight level 330. Climb to flight level 330, Berlin at Sierra Romeo. Berlin at Sierra Romeo, contact Paris Control 126.475. Center on 126.475, Berlin at Sierra Romeo, bye bye. Control, Europe 7 for Echo Yankee, flight level 243. Europe 7 for Echo Yankee, Bruxelles Control, identifié. Lufthansa et Alfa Romeo, contact Lannon radar 127.6. Contact Langen radar 127.6, Lufthansa et Alfa Romeo. Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, contact Amsterdam radar 11.175.
Center on 119.175 B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel. Amsterdam radar, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, leaving flight level 206 for flight level 250 direct Costa.
Berlin 2 Alpha Hotel, Amsterdam radar contact.
2 Alpha Hotel. London Control, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, flight level 250.
B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, London Control, identified. B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right. Report ready for descent.
Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right. Call when ready, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel.
KLM 644 Heavy, Lamso 2 Alpha, runway 18 center. Report ready for descent.
Lamso 2 Alpha, runway 18 center, ready for descent, KLM 644 Heavy.
KLM 644 Heavy, descend to flight level 220.
Descent to flight level 220, KLM 644 Heavy.
Speedbird 87 Bravo, descend to 7,000 feet, QNH1001. Descend to 7,000 feet, QNH1001, Speedbird 87 Bravo. B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, descend to flight level 160.
Descend to flight level 160, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel.
Beaufort 57 Kilo Kilo, contact Amsterdam radar 119.175.
Contact Amsterdam radar 119.175, Beaufort 57 Kilo Kilo. Bye-bye.
Speedbird 87 Bravo, contact Heathrow Director 119.73. Contact Heathrow Director 119.73, Speedbird 87 Bravo. Lufthansa 902, descend to 7,000 feet, QNH1001.
Descent to 7,000 feet, QNH1001, Lufthansa 902.
KLM 644 Heavy, descend to flight level 100.
Descent to flight level 100, KLM 644 Heavy.
KLM 644 Heavy, Contact Amsterdam radar 119.175. Contact Amsterdam radar 119.175. KLM644 Heavy, see you. London Control, Speedbird 885 Romeo. Good morning. Descending via Logan 2 Hotel, flight level 254. Speedbird 761, London Control, expect Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right.
Expect Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right, Speedbird 761.
Lufthansa 902, contact Heathrow Director 119.73.
Contact Heathrow Director 119.73, Lufthansa 902.
Spinnaker 43 Alpha, London Control, expect Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right. Expect Logan 2 Hotel, runway 27 right, Spinnaker 43 Alpha. Speedbird 885 Romeo, London Control, radar contact. Speedbird 761, descend to flight level 160.
Descend to flight level 160, Speedbird 761.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, descend to 7,000 feet, QNH1001.
Descend to 7,000 feet, QNH1001, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Ryanair 3 Juliet Foxtrot, contact Gatwick approach 129.025. Contact Gatwick approach 129.025, Ryanair 3 Juliet Foxtrot. Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy, contact Heathrow Director 119.73.
Contact Heathrow Director 119.73, Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy.
Helvetic 456, contact Thames approach 133.455.
Contact Thames approach 133.455, Helvetic 456.
Ryanair 14 Hotel Bravo, contact Paris Control 126.475.
Contact Paris Control 126.475, Ryanair 14 Hotel Bravo. Have a good morning.
London Control, Air France 1780, descending via BEL2AH Hotel, flight level 214. Air France 1780, London Control, identified. Wizz Air 952, contact Amsterdam radar 119.175.
Contact Amsterdam radar 119.175, Wizz Air 952.
Heathrow Director 119.73 B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel. Heathrow Director, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, flight level 11 for we have Quebec on board.
B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel Heathrow Director, QNH1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Lambourne transition.
QNH1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Lambourne transition, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel.
B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel, cleared direct Lambourne, cross Lambourne at or above 7,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right.
Cleared direct Lambourne, cross Lambourne at or above 7,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right, B-Line 2 Alpha Hotel.
Speedbird 87 Bravo, contact Heathrow Tower 118.505.
Hi, Captain. The cabin is now secure for landing.
Thank you.
Over to Tower 118.505, Speedbird 87 Bravo. Have a good morning.
Heathrow Director, Air France 1780, flight level 110 with the number.
Air France 1780 Heathrow Director, good morning. QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the pigeon transition.
QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the begin transition, Air France 1780.
Lufthansa 902, contact Heathrow Tower 118.505. Have a good morning. Contact Tower 118.505, Lufthansa 902, bye-bye.
Director, Speedbird 885 Romeo. Good morning. Flight level 116 with the numbers.
Speedbird 885 Romeo Heathrow Director, good morning. QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Lambourne transition.
QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Lambourne transition. Speedbird 885 Romeo.
Speedbird 885 Romeo, clear direct Lambourne, cross Lambourne at or above 7,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right.
Cleared direct Lambourne, cross Lambourne at or above 7,000 feet. Cleared ILS runway 27 right, Speedbird 885 Romeo.
Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy, contact Heathrow Tower 118.505, bye-bye.
Oberto Tower 118.505, Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy, have a good morning.
Air France 1780, cleared direct Big Gin, cross Big Gin at or above 3,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right.
Clear the direct Bigan, cross Bigan at or above 3,000 feet, clear the ILS runway 27 right, Air France 1780.
Heathrow Director, Speedbird 9 Bravo, flight level 096, we have Quebec.
Speedbird 9 Bravo Heathrow Director, good morning. QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Bovingdon transition.
QNH 1001, expect the ILS runway 27 right with the Bovingdon transition. Speedbird 9 Bravo.
Speedbird 9 Bravo, cleared direct Bovingdon, cross Bovingdon at or above 7,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right.
Cleared direct Bovingdon, cross Bovingdon at or above 7,000 feet, cleared ILS runway 27 right, Speedbird 9 Bravo.
Heathrow Director, American 142 Heavy, good morning, 7,700 feet with the numbers.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, contact Heathrow Tower 118.505.
Over to Tower 118.505, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Heathrow Tower, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, ILS runway 27 right.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel, Heathrow Tower, continue.
Wilco, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
2,500.
Lufthansa 902, exit left at Alpha 9er Echo.
Exit left at Alpha 9er Echo, Lufthansa 902.
Lufthansa 902, monitor ground 121.905.
Ground 121.905 and Lufthansa 902. Have a good morning.
Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy. Wind 190 at 12, runway 27 right clear to land.
Runway 27 right clear to land. Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy.
Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy. Exit left at Alpha 7.
Exit left at Alpha 7, Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy.
Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy. Monitor ground 121.905.
Ground 121.905, Iberia 31 Yankee Echo Heavy.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Wind 190 at 12, runway 27 right clear to land.
Runway 27 right cleared to land. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Hundred above. Minimum.
Continue.
100. $50, $40, $30, $20. Retard. Pitch.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Exit left at Alpha 10 Echo.
Exit left at Alpha 10 Echo. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Contact ground 121.905.
Ground 121.905, Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Have a good morning. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Request taxi to assigned gate.
Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel. Gate 218 right taxi via Hotel. Bravo, Kilo.
Gate 218 right via Hotel. Bravo, Kilo. Beeline 2 Alpha Hotel.
Thank you for flying Brussels Airlines. We wish you a pleasant onward journey and look forward to welcoming you on board again in the near future.
Speedbird 885 Romeo, ramp 524 taxi via Alpha 7, link 13 Bravo, Hotel, Alpha 9 Whiskey, Alpha, Delta, link 52, Yankee.
Ramp 52 for via Alpha 7, link 13 Bravo, Hotel, Alpha 9 Whiskey, Alpha, Delta, link 52 Yankee, Speedbird 885 Romeo.
The boarding requested.
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated until our captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Thank you.
Zero 01.